Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply e-visa to St. Helena on your mobile device. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened the official e-visa website of St. Helena, okay, on mobile device. The very first thing is to check if I really need a visa. So I tap on do I need a visa. So first thing you are gonna do is you are gonna select your nationality. Let's say you are an Indian national. Okay, you do it as per your own case. Do you have any criminal convictions in your country, including spent unspent conviction? I select no. Do you hold any of the following documents? A certificate from center status showing you are dependent? I select no. And then you need to tap on next. So when I tap on next, I get, based on the information you provided, you will need to apply for a visa to travel to St. Helena. Please continue application page. Fine. So you can tap here, start application. So you can see that 6 sections it has created: personal, passport, visa, declaration, review and payment. Okay. So the very first thing is personal. So I'm going to put some sample. You do it as per your case. So I put name. You have to enter email, confirm email, then password, phone number, mobile, gender, marital status, whatever it is, date of birth, country of birth, address, and then tap on next. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay, so now we are in step 2. If you remember, on the home page we had the continue application. That's why they give you this opportunity, so that in case you cannot complete, or if you want to do something later, you can come back and check. Okay, and modify. All right, nationality. This again, I am putting sample. You do as per your case. Passport number, do it as per your case. Okay, India. Date of issue, do it as per your case. Upload a passport photograph of yourself and then go to next. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you. Okay, now we have gone to third page. Visa type, single, multiple. I select single. Expected arrival date, I said yes, sample. Arriving by air. Oh, I went for C, sorry. Air, flight, enter as per your. Arriving in St. Helena via South Africa, Ascension Island. Wow, South Africa, if I say. Departure date, night, April. Departing by air. Departing center via South Africa. Wow. Do you require any visa entry permit for onward return ticket? I select. I have the required visa. Okay. Reason for visit, tourism I put. Do you have accommodation arrangement? If you select yes, it's gonna ask where are you gonna stay. If not, then it's gonna ask the plan. So I'm just sample. I'm doing sample, but you do as per your case. And I'm tapping on next. Declaration: are you traveling alone? Have you issued a visa for any other countries past 5 years? If you select yes, you need to provide the details. What countries have you visited in past 5 years? Have you refused entry to any country, including St. Helena, 5 years? Criminal convictions, suffering from expert driver, suffering any communicable disease? Do you have sufficient resources, adequate means, return ticket? You must provide scanned copy of document supported application. Okay, so this is like your financial means, accommodation, return ticket, your passport. Those things are gonna work for you. Okay, next is gonna be review and payment. Of course I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.